In this video we're going to be talking about the Tourpret interior exterior wood filler repair. Wood repair filler. Now this is the second time I've used this, but I only used it on a couple of fine bits on the wood. I didn't feel anything with any depth. Now this says this has unlimited depth and a working time of 30 minutes. It can be drilled or screwed. It's low odour, like I said, no depth limit, and 3 hours ready to paint. But the 3 hours ready to paint is dependent on depth. If you've got you know, if you're filling quite a depth, obviously it's going to be a day, you know, which I've just discovered. Now I've just used this, and I've just bought this and used it for the second time to do some wood repairs on these fascias. Now let me give you a look at what it looks like now. Now how good is that after one fill? I mean, this whole bit from there to there was missing, and then the same from there to there, you know, and that is one fill. So just take another look at that again, you know, and that is sanded down really well. Now I am going to second fill it. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect because, you know, it's very high where we are. This is what it looked like before it was filled, and this is what it looked like finished with 2 fills. Before I would have used 2-pack, and which is brilliant, don't get me wrong, and it dries a lot quicker. But if you plan your job right and you leave this with plenty of time to dry, and you fill the job, say at the beginning, these big bits, the drying time shouldn't be an issue, because how good is this stuff? That is, I'm blown away by that. I'm blown away that you can do that in one fill, and it can be sanded and shaped, and believe me, it was a lot easier than sanding the 2-pack down. Now I'm not saying that 2-pack, I'm not going to use it anymore. Of course I'm going to use it, but if you plan your jobs right, you can also use this as well. I mean, if I needed the filler to dry in an hour, I'd get the 2-pack out and use the 2-pack. But, you know, call me a dinosaur or what, but let me know what yous all think of this stuff and how long you've been using it for, because yeah, times are changing. There are better products out there, and that's what we all need to do. We all need to learn and grow together. So please, all you people that have used this Tourpret recently, or any other Tourpret products, please let me know in the comment section. I'd really like to know, because that is, again, like I say all the time, how we all really learn and grow. You know, I don't know everything, and I don't want to know everything. I just want to continually be on a quest to improve, and if people call me a dinosaur, that's fine, you know, because we all live and learn at different paces. And I say this thing about, I had a really nasty comment last night, but it is what it is. You have to, if you're going to stick your neck up above the rabbit hole, so to speak, you've got to be prepared to take some stick from time to time. So alright then, thank you very much for watching, and that's my little talk about the Tourpret wood filler. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.